woke up early, which I usually don't, and I did some exercise for about 10 minutes, followed with 10 minutes of meditation, and then I went out for a walk in the mildly cold breeze. I took shower, got dressed, checked out from my cottage and set course to my second destination, Harihareshwar. Welcome to the Tum Tum again, which looks like a pig, also known as Dukkar. In less than an hour, I reached my second destination, Harihareshwar. I visited this ancient beautiful temple of Lord Shivji and Kal Bhairav. In Hinduism, after taking the darshan, we usually go around the statue to complete one revolution. It is known as Pradakshina. It's the part of worshipping God. Just like how our 9 planets revolve around sun, one can do as much as 108 revolutions around the statue of the God. 90% of the temples in India has the facility to do the Pradakshina inside the temple itself, whereas some temples do not have the space, or some has different ways and traditions to perform the Pradakshina. So this temple has a different way of performing that Pradakshina. You have to go back of the temple, climb up the hill, climb down the hill to get onto the other side of the mountain and walk your way around the mountain back to the temple. That's how you complete one revolution, which is known as Pradakshina. There is this mysterious cavern situated at the bottom of the mountain. The mysterious part is that it is surrounded by salty waters from all 3 sides, but somehow this puddle creates sweet fresh water to drink. I tried to dig the story and the science behind it, asking people nearby it, but they were tourists just like me. I very much loved the taste and I drank till my belly was full. Then I completed my Pradakshina and came back to the market. I bought some AIDS, not AIDS, ADES, AIDS. Like lemonade. In India we have all kinds of aids and we simply call them sarbat. Anyway, moving forward, I took jetty from Bagmandla to Vesvi port. Upon reaching Vesvi, I went to the village to visit the temple of Lord Dattatreya and I missed the bus to Kershi. So I had to drag my ass 2 kilometers to the highway with the sun above my head. But on my way to highway, I saw this beautiful bird. I don't know its name. And another one. After successfully waiting for 1 hour at the highway, I finally got a taxi which took me to Kershi. and then I visited Goddess Mahalakshmi's temple. And on my way back, I got some mango pulp, cashew nuts, mango tortilla, means amba poi, and few other stuff at this factory cum store. Having no choice, I had to hire this frog-shaped matador in Kershi, which took me to Anzarle. Also, it cost me 300 rupees, but it was worth it because the journey was merely 30 minutes and it was very beautiful and spectacular as we were driving adjacent to the sea. Reaching Anzarle, I visited this famous temple called Kadyavarsa Ganpati. The literal meaning of the Kadyavarsa Ganpati means the Lord Ganesh on the cliff, as this temple is situated on the top of the mountain. Then I had these two mast tasting sarbats. I came down from the mountain, I took a bus to Harnai and got off at this location. Okay, so now after doing 3 destinations, Harihareshwar, Kershi, Anzarle, I have finally reached Harnai, and I've got this not so great but okay kind of room in Harnai. I'm on near a budget, so I'm not going to look for expensive room or out of budget. First I'm going to go to bathroom, you know what I mean, and then we'll head to beach and we'll take it from there. We'll see. I just came back from the beach today. I didn't do anything there. I did not take photos much. I did not shoot videos. I'll be doing that tomorrow in the morning. I just sat there contemplating things, being in the moment, enjoying the presence, enjoying the sunset and everything. I just sat there because I was tired. But let me tell you, I'm not as tired as I was yesterday, because yesterday I didn't do anything. I mean, in terms of exercise and meditation, but today I did 15 minutes of exercise and 5 minutes of meditation, which helped me very much. I'm still, I wouldn't say energized, but there is still some energy left in me. So anyway, I'm just gonna go and take a hot shower now. Then I'm going to wash my clothes, and after that I'll go have the dinner. After dinner, since this trip basically was focused, I wanted to focus this on health, physical health and mental health. So I'll be doing meditation, of course, and then I'll be applying some face mask for the skin. I'll do some head massage with coconut oil, and I will apply some I've got this special oil from Muhammad Ali Road, Mumbai, that helps with the joints and the pains. So my legs are paining, my shoulders are paining, my neck is a little bit paining due to the hectic travel and heavy lifting stuff. So that's about it, and I hope you like the video, and if you do, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Jai Hind.